dragons, and we don't actually know what species they are in fairness, but they look quite reptilian mostly.
Reptilian.
Reptilian.
What?
Spirit. Falco's a spirit.
Yeah, he's the spirit of a dragon, like the dragon in Spirited Away.
He's
Yes,
got
he is.
fur. Clearly a mammal. It's a dog.
What's a platypus then? Look at it. Go on. You get in the kitchen where you belong, you silly hell. Go on, you can look down on camera.
Platypus is a monotreme.
You're not helping with the whole Falco's not a dog situation.
Definitely a dog.
Falco!
Sounds like a dog, talks like a dog, looks like a dog.
I'm a luck dragon.
Talks like a dog.
Flies like a dog.
To be fair, when Billy flies, that is what he looks like.
Don't mess around, we defied, little buzz. You on the ground and we flying up above.
He's got the ears going, lips flapping.
How's that?
Going down!
Fuck me!